In this problem, we want to solve each absolute value inequality and then graph the solution set on a real number line. So we got 7 times the absolute value of x plus 3 plus 5 is less than negative 9. Now we have to have the absolute value by itself on the left side. So let's work at getting it by itself. I'm going to take this 5 and move it to the right side. Anytime you have a constant term here, you can just always move it over across the inequality. So we got 7 times the absolute value of x plus 3. Anytime you take any number across your inequality symbol, the sign changes, so the positive 5 becomes a negative 5. At any step, combine together numbers. Negative 9, negative 5 is negative 14. Now the absolute value is still not by itself. We have a 7 in front of it. That's multiplication. That's 7 times the absolute value. So to get rid of that 7, we're going to do the opposite operation. We're going to divide both sides by 7. So I'm going to take this and divide that side by 7, and I'll divide the other side by 7. These 7's can cancel. And we got the absolute value of x plus 3 is less than negative 14 divided by 7 is negative 2. Now we have the absolute value by itself. There's no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. Now, but notice we have an absolute value is less than a negative number. Whenever you have that, you have to think, what does an absolute value do? It makes whatever's inside positive, or it can be equal to 0. It's never less than a negative number. So our answer here would be no solution. You could also write empty set if you wanted to use that notation. And of course there's no graph since there's no answer basically.